In front of me is VIVO X300 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. First of all, you need to open Recorder app that's already on your VIVO and hit allow in all pop-ups. After that, tap on those two dots at the top right corner and select settings. Adjust all of them to your liking and go back. To start your recording, use red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use middle button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. To transcribe it, tap on TryScribe button here. Tap on sign in now and log in into your VIVO account. This way your text will be listed here. To enable or disable voice enhancement, use this button at the top right corner. And to end and save your recording, this check mark at the bottom right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created, so now I can play it by clicking on it and manage it using all of those options. Thanks to this black icon, you can now add bookmarks while listening. You can skip 3 seconds each way. Tap on TryScribe to see your text. Click on this icon at the bottom right corner to adjust your recording by picking playback speed and deciding which one of those options, if any, you want to switch on or off. When you finished, tap on your screen, and to manage some more options, click on those two dots at the top right corner. If you wish, you can also manage your recording over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!